Hi guys, how you all doing? What we'll do today, we'll do a chicken green pepper black bean sauce. Let's do this. Okay guys, what we want to do is take half a green pepper and we want to cube it up. When we've cubed our green pepper, we need to take half a medium-sized onion and we need to cube our onion as well. And then take a red chili and we want to slice it on a bias, basically diagonal, just for effect in our green pepper black bean dish. Take 3 cloves of garlic, give them a good smashing and mince them up. And then what we want to do is take a medium-sized chicken breast and we want to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now we need to blanch this chicken, pre-cook it, so what we need to do is put a wok on, put some water in and bring it up to the boil. As soon as it gets up to the boil, we put our chicken in and blanch the chicken. Now it only takes about 25-30 seconds to actually blanch the chicken. As soon as you think it's cooked, take it out. You don't want to leave this chicken in there too long. Okay, we want to make up a cornstarch or potato starch slurry. It's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch and 3 tablespoons of water, and give it a good mixing. Let's get cooking. So 2 tablespoons of oil in our wok on medium-high, whacking the garlic, followed straight away by our veg, that's our onions and green peppers, and give it a quick stir fry round. And then we want to add 1 tablespoon of black bean, our black bean paste. Quick stir around, incorporate all in there. Put our chicken in, stir that through. And then we want to add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir it all through. Just keep it all moving, we don't want to burn this on the bottom of the wok. Add a dash of wine, Gilsing wine. Now it's starting to thicken a little bit on the bottom. We need to add our water. So add 150 mils approximately of water. And give it a good stir through. A nice little shake of white pepper over the top. Stir that in. Throw in our chilies. I always put the chilies in towards the end so they stay a little bit firm and crunchy. Add our cornstarch slurry or potato starch slurry. Stir it round and it thickens up very quickly, and then serve. That is our chicken, green peppers, black bean sauce made. Now if you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.